big one. Got him. He's got it. There we go, guys. What's up, guys? Today I'm bass fishing here. It's a little too late for me to go out and try and get some snook, so I'm gonna try and get some bass and bring you guys with me and show you what I do towards the end of the day, like an evening bite. So over here I got a lake that has really clear water, and then on this side I have a lake that has cloudy water, but the bass in that one are really big, and I'm gonna explain as I fish what I use and why I use it. So let's get started. Alright, so the first lure that I choose for the cloudy water one is a chatterbait. Black and blue with a white trailer seems to work best here. And then I can also get away with a weightless Senko in like dark blue, or even sometimes even like a watermelon would work. And then in the clear lake, they're chasing shad, so I like to throw swim bait. So this Spoltech right here will work perfect. So hopefully I can show you guys a fish on every one of those baits and explain how it works, how I use them. There's fish busting over here in this one, so guys, I gotta get out there. Whenever the water is really high, this vegetation floats to the top around the surface, and it's kind of hard to fish, but if you can get a cast in there, like in front of it, usually you get bit before you come to it. So let's see, they're chasing all this shad out here. I'm starting off with the chatterbait. I'm just reeling it straight in. All right. I'm gonna let it sink. It's really deep. This lake is really deep, but I don't know if you guys can see the watercolor. Oh, it's not very clear. We should get a bite though. Like I said, oh, there we go. Oh man. Well, guys, just missed one. I was just about to say, they were over here chasing shad, blowing up on them. Let's see if we can get this guy to bite again. That one felt big, slammed it. Let's try out this way. As I'm fishing, I'm always looking for movement, because usually if you see them and you cast to them, you can get them to bite. I just seen a couple bass blowing up back in that back corner. I'm gonna try and get to them. They're to the right of that, but that might be enough. Come on, baby. I need that first fish. Once I get that first fish, then it's on. Oh yeah, that's where they were. Come on. Come on. Guys, I'm on. There we go. We got that first bite, guys. Nice one too. Look at this. What a first bite. These bass in this pond are extremely light colored. Choked the worm. Shit. Literally choked it. Alright guys, so it went into his throat, so what you do is you pierce the hook all the way through and then cut your line, pull it out. He's bleeding a little bit, but it'll get it'll be fine. It's a mean looking bass. Let's get her back. See how quick that was too, instead of trying to get that all out of there. See that blood already clotted up? There she goes. Fine. And then just retie. You're good to go. Alright guys, we are at the next spot. Sorry it's a little noisy, there's a bunch of air conditioners over there. So if you live in Florida, you know not to count out any bit of water. This little tiny piece of water right here is in the shade, and there's 2 culverts over there with a lot of water in them. Now there's some Mayan cichlids going off a bed right here. It's pretty cool. But now if you live in Florida, you know how hot it's been. Those bass should be in those culverts, cooling off. Alright, we're gonna come back to this. So there's another culvert up here. It's hard not to spook these fish though. Just walking over here from where we are spooks them. I'm gonna walk way around and try and cast in. Sometimes I sit right here too. God dang it. I see a couple bass right at the edge. Oh, he's gonna get it. He's gonna grab it. Oh, big one. Got him. Ah. Oh. Hopefully you guys seen that. That was pretty cool. There's more there. All right, here we go. We'll get another one. Here we go. He's got it. There we go, guys. Oh, it's a nice one. Look at that. That is a nice fish. That is a 5-pounder all day. I just sight casted that thing at the edge of a culvert. Look at that, guys. That is a big bass for a culvert. I don't know if you can see his mouth. You see all that? That's from eating stuff coming out of the culvert. And the top of his lips. Get her back. Look at that little... Man, this fish is beat up. Look at that thing. Let's get a sick release. Nice. Oh, there's a bunch of Mayans down there too. Big Mayans. Alright guys, so what I did was we have a little bit of flow coming out of the culverts down here, and all those little minnows that are up in the storm systems are flowing out, and the bass are sitting at the edge eating all the fish that come out. There's some more there. I'm gonna see if I can make it happen again. That was a nice fish. I watched him eat it at the edge. I hope you guys seen him. Oh yeah, there's another nice one. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's got it. It's a nice 3. Chill, bud. That one's not bad either. All right. All right, guys. Well, today was a tough day. We caught a few, but couldn't make it happen after that last bite. They got oh shit. Well guys, what's up guys? Well, we couldn't make it happen after that last bite. It just got real tough. It's been really hot, so usually they're like in a lot of brush or in the culverts or under bridges. Yeah, I mean, they were blowing up on shad and everything, but they were just too dialed into the shad. I couldn't get them to bite anything over at that other lake. I pulled quite a few out of this one culvert, and there's just bass after bass after bass going in and out of that culvert. And I just lost one, right? That was gonna be the last fish of the evening. Yeah, let me know if you guys like the bass in the saltwater mix. I like to keep it a variety so that I can reach a bunch of people, but I wanted to explain, you know, how to use certain lures and stuff, but I wasn't able to catch a fish on everything. That's just how it goes. Hopefully you guys learned something, but comment below what you want to see next if you appreciate the bass and the saltwater. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you are notified for the next upload. I'd appreciate a like and a share, and I'll be back with some fish in another video.